backside of D on the
Oh, they're headed to C with the tank. Oh, here they come. They're coming through the alley on D too. I'm gonna try to spawn over and see before they take it. Oh, spawn already.
Hey, they're going.
Oh my! What the?
Backside of D.
Yeah, I was trying to. Mr. Pizza Time's over to see. You gotta watch him. Team spawn on him.
Hey, backside of D. They're all over backside of D right now.
Alright, I'm coming.
They're running over with like everything. Oh god. There's too many for me to keep track of.
Oh, I'm getting shot with freaking C. What the hell's going on? Oh, they're taking it. What the? Where'd they come from? I knew it. I knew they were gonna sneak in on this BS.
Objective mark. Support the attack. Coming in. I'm tracking a hostile tank in the mission area. Over. Heavy armor vehicle.
I'm defending this side pretty well, but I don't know if I can do it forever.
Oh, no, we're good.
We have secured Delta. We have secured more objectives.
There's more coming. They're all over me. There's 1,000
I'm
of them.
coming. We got C back. We got tanks coming too. Cavalry. Yeah.
Whew. Whew. And I'm gonna clip that because that was cool.
Oh, is that bad guy? Bad guy?
Yeah, he's on the outside, I think. Never mind.
Daggone sniper!
He miss? Did he miss?
No, he didn't miss.
I've killed
Oh,
two
here it comes.
people, or I've killed a few people out the out their helicopter. I keep shooting the driver out the helicopter.
There, he got me. He got me. He's downstairs. I got him marked. There's two. There's two. Three. There's three coming up.
Is there anyone left?
No, yeah, there's three. Three downstairs. I'm coming back to you. Stay alive.
Drag out!
Oh, here come more.
Nice, I got him.
Enemy contact in my AO!
Dude!
We've secured Bravo.
They found
Dude, we got
they
so
found
many
me out,
guys
they found
coming
me
up.
out. Yeah, it's because I keep killing them.
Alright, we've got a lead. Objective Echo has been lost.
Grab what you can!
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, coming.
Control more objectives. Secure our defenses.
If you can see anything through it.
No, there's no way, dude. How does your M16 kill me before my submachine gun?
Oh, they got a tank right here. Holy.
Oh, we don't see. They're taking. How we got so many people around C and we can't take it?
Be advised, the enemy now controls more objectives.
Oh my god, they got a tank in.
Grab what you can!
Stay alive, Chase.
Okay, spawn in, hurry.
I'm in.
We have heavy armor ready for combat.
Dadgummit, they're hiding behind.
Damn it, why'd you do that?
Oh, sorry. What'd you do?
We have secured more objectives.
Hey, we got back up. That's what we need.
Seven people. There were seven enemies on objective.
Objective must be protected.
There was
Alright,
a
objective
I
active.
got thermal on my gun.
No way,
dude. The P90 is crazy, dude. It's awesome.
dude. Oh, they're healing each other. They're all outside. They're coming in at you right now.
The enemy have taken more objectives.
Oh my goodness.
Oh! Up top with a shotgun. Behind you. On my body. He's
Ah,
over the
damn it!
corner.
Damn it.
Take what you can carry!
We need attack support on the marked objective.
Jeez, dude. Oh, thank you, Fine, for trying to pick me up. Hey, babe, you in here? Oh, they're in E. They're in E. They're taking it.
Right here. Don't know how.
There's two left in here. Where are they at?
Probably tripped off.
We're attacking Charlie.
Right below you, Ethan. Right below you. Literally, right below your window. He's dead.
Let's move!
How am I alive? Dude, you should have just like, dude, that video's gonna go crazy.